Hi guys, this is Kumar Kurtivada. In this video, we will learn about HTML attributes. So I spoke about HTML elements in my previous video. What's that for better understanding? So let's understand what are HTML attributes. So for each and every element, you can give some set of features which will be a add-on features for that particular element. They are called as attributes. So now what I can do is I have a paragraph and I am a para. So this is my element, and now I can make this with some more features, like save this, go here and just reload. You got I am a para. Now what I want to do is I want to add some set of styles to this. So style is equal to, I want to add a color as red. Don't worry about this syntax. We'll talk about this whenever we are talking about style attribute. But in this case, I'm telling you that this is an attribute which is a key, and this whole is a value for this. So let me go here and reload. You can see it is in red color. That means this is an attribute. Attribute is a value which will give an additional feature for your element. That is about your attribute. So first point is additional feature or additional behavior. Second point to understand is we have to write attributes in the opening tag. So we have to write in the opening tag itself. That's why where I wrote this, I wrote this inside the opening tag, and you can give this inside the quotes. So it is always recommended to give inside the quotes. You can give without quotes also, but if you have some spaces, then it will be a problem. I'll show you that. For example, I have these styles, and what I want to do is just don't want to give this quotes. Let me save this. Now it is showing an error. If you see, sets the color of an element's text. So let me go here and reload. Now it came to black. Why? Because it was not applied, because this whole is a set of content. So that's why you have to use double quotes or single quotes. It works in both the way. So let me give single quote and check it out. Save this, go here and reload. Now it is working. That means you can give single quote or double quote. It's up to us. And whenever you are giving any attribute, that should be in lowercase. So it is always recommended to use lowercase attributes. Save this. And if you see, we have style and we have some set of href. For example, if you are using an anchor tag, you will have something called as href, where you can give https:// some google.com, and we can close this and we can write some data over here like Google. So I'll talk about this anchor tag separately, but try to understand. Here we are giving href as an attribute, and for each and every key you will be having some set of value which should be inside your double quotes or single quotes. Let me go here and reload. If you see, you are seeing Google, but it has an internal feature like href which will open your Google. For example, let me click on this. It went to google.com. How it went? It has an extra feature whenever we are adding an attribute, and it has one more attribute also. Let me show you that as well. Target underscore blank. If you give blank, it will open in the new tab. So let me reload this, click on this, it opened in the new tab. Previously it opened in the same tab. That means each and every attribute has some specific behavior, and that behavior will be added to your element. That's about your attributes. And fifth point to note is attributes are key pair values. Like name, you will have a name followed by equal to and followed by some value. So that's how we will be creating our attributes. To summarize this, attributes will give the additional features for your element, and we have to write attributes in the open tag itself, and we have to use either single quotes or double quotes, and it is always recommended to use lowercase attributes. And this will have a formula like name versus value. That means name is equal to some value. If you are not giving equal to, or if you are not providing some quotes, that may behave in a different manner and it will not throw any error. For example, in this case, I removed these quotes, and let me see whether it is throwing any error or not. Let me reload, and if you go to inspect, if you see the console, it is not throwing any error, because HTML will not throw any error. Whenever you are writing something wrong, then immediately it will take the default behavior of it. So what is the default behavior of it? It is invalid syntax, hence it will remove this. So let me check that as well. Let me go into elements, and if you see here we have a color and it took invalid format. So whenever it is invalid format, you didn't got a color over here. That's how it is not showing any color like red, and it is taking the default value of the browser, and the default value is always color with black. So that's how you can define your attributes. Hope this will give you a better understanding on attributes. Hope you like my video. If you like my explanation, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.